Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about food structures. First, structure is term used to describe the characteristic of the finished food product. Every food product has a distinctive structure so that one can see, feel and eat it. This is one of the main points to be considered while planning the menu as it is very important for each food prepared in the kitchen. Observation, practice and understanding recipe is the only way for one to understand the exact structure of any food preparation. Thus practice is the only way to learn about the structures. Next, desirable and undesirable structures. Every food has a structure of its own identify which will determine the quality of the particular food item. Following are the desirable and non-desirable structure of the food. First one is desirable structures. These are the food structures of the food. They indicate the good quality of the food and hence are always preferable in every food that is prepared. Following are the examples of the desirable structure of the food. Firm and close. The structure of the food will be firm and close together. Rising agent are added to the food. The volume of the food will be increased the holes and even and closest together. They are small and equally distributed in all over the food product. Next one is short and crumbly. The final product is short and crumbly. Will just melt in your mouth when you eat them. These are very delicate in nature. The right quality of food fat is used to get good structure like this. If the proportions goes wrong, the final structures may be different from the good one. Next one is light and even. These are very light and even food structure. There are plenty of holes and are equally distributed in the food. It is less short than pastry and less spongy than spongy. Most commonly cake have been the structure in it. Next one is spongy. These are plenty of holes present in the food and are equally distributed into the food. As the air is trapped while making the food, they are very soft and light food products to the touch like sponge cake and idlis, etc. Flaky. These products have thin crispy layer of flakes and they are formed by air pockets. The crispness is due to method of rubbing fat into the flour. In order to get good flaky structure, the right amount of the ingredients, proper mixing method, correct temperature, IDQ requires. These are mostly used for the bakery items. Next one is smooth. When the dry ingredients are added to the liquid ingredients and blended to the smooth paste form, it results in smooth structure. Next one is non-desirable structure. These are undesirable structure of the food which are not good sign of the preparation. By any means, if something goes wrong with the recipe, these structures are formed and are indication of the faulty food preparation and hence one should avoid formations of the following structure. Hot structure. The air enclosed in the product may be driven off due to the addition of extra liquid into the or has not mixed properly or sometime if the temperature is too low many result into the hot structure. Next one is coarse and open. This may be caused of improper way of the mixing or when too much rising agents are used in the food. It may be result into coarse or open structure of the food. The holes and uneven and are wide open in the food. Next is soggy structure. This is again a bad food structure. This may happen if there is If too much moisture or liquid present in the food, it tends to sticky to the hand or pan or vessel. It can be found in various rice preparations. Lumpy structure. This happens when the solid and liquids are not mixed properly at the same temperature, or even if they are at even temperature. Once lumps are cooked, they are very difficult to remove. These may occur in sauces, soji halwa, or in pasta. Next, next one is food consistencies. Food consistencies are the physical state or characteristic of the prepared of food. They occur during the preparation of the food. Food consistency is also one of the major components of food evaluation. A discerning food consistency will give the best appreciation, whereas undecided would result in the dissatisfaction. Following are the various types of food consistency. One is thin, second one is thick, third one is thick dropping, fourth one is thick pouring, fifth one is moishing, sixth one is dry. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.